In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent first and second line in WPS Office. Indenting text is an essential formatting skill that makes your documents look clean and professional, and WPS Office makes it really simple to do both first-line indents and second-line or hanging indents. Let's get started. First, select the text that you want to format. You can do this easily using either your mouse or your keyboard. Once your text is highlighted, right-click anywhere on the selected portion. From the menu that appears, choose the Paragraph option. This will open a window where you can adjust both spacing and indentation settings. In the Paragraph window, navigate to the Indents and Spacing tab. Here, you'll find the section labeled Indentation. To create a first-line indent, look for the drop-down menu next to the Special option. Click the drop-down and select First Line. You will see a small preview showing how the indentation will appear. If you have a specific measurement requirement like 0.5 inches, you can set it in the corresponding box. Once you have entered your desired value, click OK to apply the first-line indent to your text. This gives your paragraphs a polished and professional look. For a second-line indent, which is often used for references or citations in styles like MLA, APA, or Chicago, the process is very similar. Highlight the relevant text, right-click, and choose Paragraph. In the same indentation section, click the drop-down next to Special and select Hanging. You can then enter the measurement required by your formatting style, whether in inches or centimeters. Clicking OK will apply the hanging indent, ensuring your citations are properly formatted and easy to read. By mastering these two indentation styles, you can greatly improve the appearance of your documents and ensure they meet academic or professional formatting standards. Remember, proper indentation makes your work not only look neat, but also easier to follow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, check out our other videos to explore more tips and tricks in WPS Office so you can become a pro in document formatting. See you in the next tutorial.